Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Nostalgia Fishing. We are here with an interesting video, and do watch this till the end, for we have something very interesting. Friends, we are here on our daily fishing spree. We have already cast our rod, and woohoo, look at that. We have already got a catch. And look at that. Wow, that's a crab, and it's a big one. A big catch indeed. Wow, that's really good. Look at it. I mean, as we say in the earlier videos also, we have to be really very careful while we are taking out the crab. There. They are very, they have the tendency to keep jumping here and there it is. It's gone down. I have to be careful that I don't hurt my hand. Yes. Now experience teaches you lessons, So there it is. we were able to, catch hold of it. But it's like, the crab, even though you can see it and you can feel, it's a big one, and it is really annoyed that, why have you caught me? Can you please leave me alone and leave me back to the sea? But we won't. We have cast our rod again into the sea and waiting for our next catch. The atmosphere here is really good. It's winter, and not that very cold indeed and not very hot indeed. The weather is really good. Friends, we have got another crab, and same as the earlier one, this is also a big one. And trust me, the blue crabs, they are really good and just tempting enough when you cook them. There you go. We are trying to get it unhooked, giving you a closer view of it. There it is. Bait with the prawns, shrimp what we had attached to get it caught. It's in his mouth. It's got hooked with it. So we are trying, carefully to just get it removed. Some crabs, when they get hooked over to the bait, they just entangle themselves, and it really becomes difficult to get them out, But some are easy enough. So we have to be careful, that we don't hurt our hand or, But I'll give a closer view of this. There it is. Today is a crabs day, I guess. So one after the other, we hope to get more crabs. Wow, look at it. There we are with our rod again. The sea is so calm, and the waves are also like gently moving it. When you watch across this video, you can see the waves moving across the shore. But everything in a calm and peaceful atmosphere. And you are fishing. Wow. There it is. Another crab has got hooked. Friends, as I said, today it's really good. We are getting one after the other crabs, and really big ones. That's got entangled again. There it is. The crabs will be surely angry with me because I'm catching them one after the other, and as I said, they are annoyed with me, and they just want to get themselves loose and go back to the sea. And the previous catches, the bait has got hooked into the mouth. Here we have it hooked into his hands and legs. So we are just getting it removed. We have to be careful. Yeah. Catch it peacefully and gently so that you don't hurt me. Yeah, there it is. Look at it. Smile, please. Come on, give us a smile. Okay, we have cast our rod again. So one after the other, without wasting time, we are also casting our rod into the sea, hoping to get good catches. Today none of the fishes have got caught into our rod, but something has got hooked again. Let's hope for the best. There it is, a crab again. Wow. Why somebody is coming behind me? I don't know who this stranger is. He's trying hard with the mobile, We hear about photo bombing, people coming in here. This is kind of a video bombing. Someone coming to try to take the video of the crab, I guess. But I'm here more interested to get the crab removed out of my bait, Wow, look at it. I mean, the texture of each and every crab is different. I mean, one Apart from the other, they are really good looking ones. Jokes apart. Trying to get this remote. Yeah, we have uncleared him. Look at him. Giving an upside view. Or a downside view. Anyways round. Yes, friends. The other one is also got hooked in. Before getting it pulled, it is trying to escape. But I've caught it with my leg. Yes, there you go. We have someone, that same stranger friend behind, taking his selfie around at the backyard. Let's see so. But this time he didn't come running over to us. There it is. I have removed the crab from there itself and giving a closer view of it. There it is. There you go. Wow. Same as the other ones. A big one indeed. That's really good. Wow, friends. Look at it. So many crabs we have got. And this is really good. Fresh crabs from the sea. What can one want for more? And that too, the happiness has no bounds when it is like, you have caught them by your own self. This is so interesting. Look at it. Wow. Wow, the crabs are really good. This is really interesting. When you see a closer view, usually you can see some frothy appearance over it. When you take them out of the sea, and that's what it happens to it. You wash it and clean it, it goes away. Now we are here at our home. What I said in the beginning is something very interesting. Was today we are going to show you how we are going to clean these crabs. As you see, friends, they are alive. We will clean them, and it's not that we will be taking the alive crabs there itself and cook it. We have kept them sometime over in the freezer. We'll be freezing them for some time, and while we are cleaning them, we'll freeze them, and only then we will take them and cook them. Now I will be showing you we will be sharing with you the steps of how to get the crabs cleaned completely and you cook them. So we will show you step by step how to get that done. Here we are taking our crabs, what we have got. I have to be very careful. As you see, they are moving about here and there, and I have to be careful that they don't bite me. As the water is gushing over them, you can see them coming out and hitting across with their legs. So I'll fill my my vessel with water, and then I'll place the crab onto it so that I get them cleaned properly. And trust me, friends, it's not a rocket science to get this cleaned. It's a very simple task. You have a good scissor with you, or you can just chop the legs and take first. Just cut it and take so. Yes, across. You should have a sharp scissor though, most of for to get this task done. We are chopping the legs across and taking it. There it is. Now we will get the shell removed. Now you have to be little careful in it, so that you'll be able to remove. There it is. I've removed the covering, and slowly with both my hands I'm getting it open. There you go, it's opened. That's all the dirt, whatever it is there inside it. I'm being very careful to get that cleaned. All you can see that yellow color stuff and all, just getting it cleaned over. Yeah, only the white flesh of the crab, we'll be keeping it over there. And sometimes you get this crab with eggs also, and they are also very delicious, the yellow ones with eggs. But here I am getting it removed and getting it cleaned completely. One after the other, the crabs what we have caught. The same process what I explained earlier, I'm doing it again over here. Cutting the legs and chopping them off and taking it with the scissor. And slowly I'll be removing the lower base of the shell to get that cleaned. There it is. Some are really a little difficult to remove, but still I'm trying my best to get that clean well. I'm taking out all the dirt out of it. There you go. Yes, it is getting cleaned. Slowly by slowly getting it cleaned completely. A good shower of water will wash away the dirt completely. Yeah, there it is. As I said, some might have eggs in them, so we should know that, and accordingly just get that cleaned up in that way. I'm thoroughly getting that clean because having anywhere somewhere over here, dirt over there, just don't want it. So thorough cleaning is advised. Getting it clean completely. Yes, there it is. So the cleaned ones, we are getting them washed, and we are placing them into our vessel after all the dirt is getting removed. Look at that, friends. It's so good to watch white crabs with such delicious legs and shells. When you cook them, you will have the taste buds completely into a divine taste, and the taste levels just can't be explained in words. So we really hope the ones all our friends who are thinking that to clean a crab will be that difficult task won't be thinking that anymore longer, and will surely try the delicious crabs going forward. I mean, most of the times it happens, even when you go to a fish market, you find such big crabs over there, and you have a tendency to have it. But then the second thought that crosses your mind is, oh my God, how am I going to clean it? It's not possible for me. So then you just skip it across and you go towards to buy some other fishes. But now, after seeing our video, we are sure you will just opt for this choice to buy crabs now. Now here I have placed my pan over here. I have put little salt onto it, and I'm placing my just simple water. That water, it's lukewarm water, no, just normal water. I have placed that water will boil, and before that I have placed little salt, and all my cleaned crabs, cleaned and well dressed crabs, I'm placing them into my pan for them to get cooked. Now here, along with the salt, I'm going to sprinkle some pepper into it. Salt and pepper. Yes, nostalgia special salt and pepper crabs. Now this doesn't have a single drop of oil into it. No oil, no vegetables, nothing at all. Just little salt and pepper. Completely healthy and delicious. Once it is cooked, you will get the complete taste of it. And to cook this is not very long. Hardly it would take some 15 to 20 minutes you have to cook your crab. Once the crabs are cooked, it changes the color. Yeah, so you can see that it's completely cooked. The water is bubbling and boiling to its fullest. And look at the crabs. Wow, super delicious. They are cooked. The color is changed. The meat, the flesh around it, you see it's completely white, and the pepper is completely dressed itself onto the crabs, where you can see the flesh around it. There it is. We have dressed it for you. Nostalgia special salt and pepper crab. Super healthy, super delicious, just for you, friends. So tempting. I mean, so delicious. Just you can just take it and you can you are completely lost into the divine taste. And when you are having it, no bounds to have your taste buds to take you to the next top level. Friends, I'm sure you would love this. And friends, we believe that you have really enjoyed our video, what we have shared with you. Keep watching us. We will be coming up with more and more interesting videos. Love you all. Thank you very much for being with us. God bless each of you all. Thank you very much, dear friends.
No.